In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Telegram in n8n. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Telegram ready to use inside your n8n workflows, so you can send messages, listen for updates, and automate tasks with confidence. We'll keep it simple and focused, and I'll add tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. First, open your n8n instance and look to the left sidebar. Find the Personal section. This is where you manage account-level settings that apply across your projects. Click it, then switch to the Credentials tab. Credentials are the secure keys and tokens that n8n uses to talk to external services on your behalf, so setting them up properly is essential. Next, click the Create Credential button. A catalog of built-in credential types will appear. Use the search bar and type Telegram API. When you see Telegram API in the list, select it. Choosing the correct type ensures n8n knows exactly which fields to expect and how to securely authenticate your connection. You'll now see a form asking for your Telegram credentials. Have your Telegram API details ready. Typically, this is the token or keys you've already obtained from Telegram. Paste them carefully into the appropriate fields. A quick tip: double-check for extra spaces before or after the token and never share these values publicly. If there's an optional name field, give the credential a clear, memorable label so you can identify it later, especially if you plan to connect multiple Telegram accounts or environments. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n stores these credentials securely, and you should see your new Telegram entry appear in the credentials list. If your instance supports testing or validation feedback, glance for any success messages or warnings to confirm everything is in order. With the credentials saved, you're ready to use Telegram in your workflows. Open or create a workflow. Add a Telegram node, such as sending a message or triggering from updates, and in the Node's Credentials dropdown, select the Telegram credential you just created. From this point on, the node will use that secure connection automatically, so you don't have to paste tokens into individual nodes again. That's all there is to it. You've connected Telegram to n8n by creating a credential, selecting Telegram API from the list, entering your secure details, and saving. Now you can build automations that interact with Telegram reliably and safely. If you ever need to rotate keys, just update the credential once and your workflows will keep working without changes.